Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll be giving you all the details you need to know about ProstaVive before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch until the end to avoid wasting your money. The first thing to keep in mind is to be cautious about where you purchase the product. Right now, ProstaVive is only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've included the official link in the video description in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my experience and help you decide if ProstaVive is right for you. What is ProstaVive? ProstaVive is a dietary supplement specifically designed to support prostate health for men of all ages. With increased awareness around prostate wellness, especially for aging men, ProstaVive offers a proactive approach to promote healthy urinary flow, enhance sexual vitality, and improve overall prostate function. Unlike traditional supplements that only target symptoms, ProstaVive takes a comprehensive approach by addressing underlying factors like blood circulation and cellular metabolism. Incorporating ProstaVive into your daily routine is simple. Just mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or your favorite beverage. Its unique blend of natural ingredients works synergistically to support prostate health, boost energy levels, and promote restful sleep. Manufactured in a facility that follows strict quality control standards, ProstaVive ensures each scoop is as effective and potent as promised. With positive feedback from a growing customer base, ProstaVive is quickly becoming known as a reliable solution for prostate-related concerns, making it a standout in the health supplement market. Does ProstaVive work? A common question about any supplement is whether it's effective. ProstaVive claims to enhance blood circulation to the prostate, promoting better prostate health and function. This focus on blood flow is key, as it's essential for maintaining a well-functioning prostate and urinary system. ProstaVive's natural ingredients are backed by scientific research, with many used in traditional herbal medicine for centuries. Users of ProstaVive report improvements in urine flow, sexual vitality, and overall wellness soon after beginning use. Many men also share that they feel more energized and have improved moods. Consistency is important, and ProstaVive encourages regular use to achieve the best results. While individual outcomes can vary, the formulation has received positive reviews, suggesting it's effective for many people. If you're considering a supplement to support prostate health, ProstaVive is a promising option with real-world testimonials backing its effectiveness. Who makes ProstaVive? ProstaVive is produced by a reputable company focused on quality and customer satisfaction. The company specializes in dietary supplements that promote health and wellness, with an emphasis on prostate health. They prioritize high-quality, natural ingredients and adhere to strict manufacturing standards to ensure their product's safety and effectiveness. With a team of experts in nutrition and health sciences, the company behind ProstaVive is committed to providing products that meet customers' needs. Their focus on transparency and quality has earned them a loyal customer base, with many users praising ProstaVive's effectiveness in supporting prostate health. This dedication to quality and customer care is essential when choosing a supplement, as it reflects the company's commitment to safe and effective health solutions. Thank you for watching, and remember to check the link below if you decide to learn more or make a purchase.